Imagine a machine that quietly takes your largest, trickiest lawns off your hands, day and night, rain or shine, with pro-grade intelligence, satellite precision and rugged build. That machine is the Husqvarna Automower 550H, and I'm here to explain exactly who made it, how it came to be, how it's built, what's under the hood, what it costs, and why. In the years ahead, machines like this will quietly reshape how we care for green space. Husqvarna, a company with roots stretching back to 1689 in Husqvarna, Sweden, is the creator of the Automower family. Over centuries the firm moved from metalwork and firearms into precision outdoor power engineering. Today Husqvarna Group is a leading global manufacturer of professional outdoor tools and robotic mowers. Their heritage in precision engineering and large-scale manufacturing is what made commercial Automower models like the 550H possible. The idea of an autonomous mower didn't appear overnight. Husqvarna began serious work on robotic mowing in the 1990s and launched the Automower product family as mass-market robotic lawn care matured. The technology has evolved through iterations to the high-capacity professional machines we see now. The Automower 550H is a result of that multi-decade progression, applying battery technology, miniaturized sensors, satellite positioning and fleet management tools to commercial turf care. So what are the main features and specifications that make the 550H stand out? It's a professional, fleet-grade robotic mower designed to handle large and complex areas. It manages up to about 1.25 acres, approximately equals 5,000 square meters, of turf in its standard configuration, can cut up to roughly 90 mm 3.6 inches height, and negotiates steep slopes, up to 45% approximately equals 24 degrees in many configurations. It offers long typical mow times per charge, examples list approximately 270 minutes typical mow time, and fast charging cycles, remote fleet management through Husqvarna Fleet Services and Automower Connect, GPS-assisted navigation and theft tracking, ultrasonic object detection for collision avoidance, weather-aware scheduling, and EPOS satellite virtual boundary options on the EPOS variant for wire-free mapping. Noise and safety specifications are tuned for professional use. The mower is built to operate reliably in commercial environments. On the outside, the body is purpose-built for endurance in outdoor, commercial use. Weatherproof housings, industry IP ratings for rain resistance are used across the range, heavy-duty wheels and drive trains, a robust top cover with integrated user controls, and replaceable cutting blades and wheel brushes. The cutting system typically uses several pivoting razor blades, multi-blade, pivoting design for a fine finish and long blade life. Service parts like top covers, wheel brushes and specialist HSS blades are offered. Materials are selected for corrosion resistance and impact toughness suited to continuous outdoor operation, and serviceability is a design priority for fleet use. How does the 550H actually work? Think of it as 4 coordinated systems: power, navigation, perception, and control. The mower runs on a high-capacity battery that powers electric traction motors and a spinning cutting disc. Navigation is GPS-assisted, and on EPOS variants uses satellite-based EPOS virtual boundaries, and is supported by Husqvarna's fleet and app services for mapping, remote control, and scheduling. For perception and safety it uses ultrasonic sensors and built-in object detection to avoid hard collisions, plus lift and tilt sensors to stop blades if the unit is lifted. The software integrates weather timers which adapt schedules to growth, multiple mowing patterns, spot, spiral, stripe, and remote telemetry so a fleet manager can monitor many units from a central dashboard. Actuation is entirely electric, wheels plus cutting motor, while the control stack coordinates when to mow, when to return to base, and how to react to obstacles or theft. These systems combined let the 550H operate autonomously for long periods while offering remote supervision and fleet analytics. Price is often variable because dealers bundle installation, reference stations for EPOS, and service contracts differently, but commercial listings give you a realistic bracket. Many retailers price the Automower 550 series in the low to mid-thousands of US dollars, several £1,000s sterling for the standalone unit, while EPOS bundles and reference stations push the package into the £4,000, £6,000, $3,000, $6,200 range depending on country, optional gear and install complexity. Some U.S. dealers list the non-EPOS 550 at around $3,299, while full EPOS kits with reference stations are advertised from roughly $5 to $6K on some listings. UK dealers show EPOS bundles in the £4-5K range. For precise local pricing, get a bundled quote from a certified dealer since commercial installs often require site survey and optional accessories. Country of origin and company credentials matter here. Husqvarna is a Swedish company, headquartered in Sweden, with a centuries-long engineering tradition. The Automower product line is designed by Husqvarna, Sweden, and manufactured across their global production network. The brand's roots and engineering culture are Swedish. What are the real future benefits and applications for humanity? At the straightforward level, Automower class robots free people and organizations from repetitive, time-consuming maintenance tasks. Parks, sports grounds, public estate greens, campuses and commercial grounds can be kept in consistent, high-quality condition with fewer diesel machines and less manual labor. On a bigger scale, that means lower carbon and noise footprints, electric motors, scheduled quiet operation, reduced fuel use and emissions from ride-on mowers, and safer groundskeeping, fewer people operating heavy machinery. Fleet-managed robotic mowing also lets municipalities and businesses optimize labor toward higher-value tasks: design, planting, habitat work rather than repetitive cutting. In disaster or post-event scenarios, autonomous maintenance fleets could help quickly restore recreational and sporting surfaces with minimal human exposure to hazards. That projection is an inference based on current uses and fleet trends. Here are a few hidden or less-known facts that often surprise people. First, commercial Automower models like the 550H come in multiple variants: EPOS versions, wireless virtual boundaries, and wire-based versions, so you can choose based on site topology and tree cover. Second, these units are designed to be serviceable in fleets. Parts like wheel brushes, top covers and special HSS blade variants are replaceable and stocked for pro upkeep. Third, the mower ecosystem is built with theft protection and fleet tracing in mind. GPS tracking, PIN codes and alarms are standard on commercial models, because expensive commercial units are common targets and fleet owners need tight control. Also, the weather timer is smarter than many expect. It adapts mowing frequency to growth rate rather than a fixed daily schedule, improving grass health and efficiency. Looking forward, possible future developments and impacts include tighter satellite-guided EPOS performance, better yard segmentation and multi-zone routing without any wires, more advanced onboard vision sensors, fused camera plus ultrasonic plus lidar, to allow faster obstacle avoidance and safer interactions with people and pets, modular accessory-based spreaders, trimmers, sensors that turn mowers into multifunction turf robots, and deeper fleet AI that schedules mowing across multiple machines for maximum energy efficiency. On the business side, expect more integration with smart city infrastructure and green space management platforms. The Automower will increasingly be part of a data-driven approach to public space care, predictive maintenance, growth forecasting, and optimized labor deployment. These are reasonable extrapolations from Husqvarna's current fleet offerings and the industry's trajectory. To finish, the Automower 550H is not a hobby gadget, it's a professional-grade, Swedish-engineered solution for large and complex mowing tasks, combining robust materials and serviceability with GPS, EPOS navigation, ultrasonic safety sensing, fleet telemetry and weather-aware autonomy. For commercial users who need consistent quality across large areas, it offers clear benefits: time saved, lower emissions, quieter operation and the kind of data that lets organizations run lawns like another asset class. If you're planning procurement, budget for the unit plus any EPOS reference station, installation and optional fleet services, and get quotes from certified dealers, because the real cost depends on the site and the package you choose.